Sicon provide additions and solutions for Sage 200, and with 30 modules currently on their website, they are dedicated to innovation and improvement. Sicon's manufacturing system includes a material and resource planning feature that reads the demand within the system, then provides suggestions as to what items need to be ordered and what products need to be manufactured. Material planning can only be run by one person at a time, and users do not need to log out of Sage 200 while material planning is running. The person running MRP can minimize the screen in order to use other areas of Sage while it is running, ensuring productivity can be maintained. When running MRP, it is recommended to enable warnings. When MRP is complete, warning messages will be displayed in the results, such as purchase orders not arriving on time, traceable items past their use-by date, or works orders that may not be built on time to satisfy the demand. The information returned is presented in a clear, easy-to-understand list based on supplier and production lead times. Double-clicking on a warning opens the future stock movements of the selected stock record, which you can view and take any remedial action required, such as contacting the supplier to discuss amendments to upcoming deliveries. If there has been a change in delivery date, the user can amend the promised date on the purchase order to the date it will be arriving, which will be considered in future MRP runs. Warnings can be sorted by column by selecting the column headings, and you can use the Find option by right-clicking the entries to search the list and find any entries of particular interest.